Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front lower control arm on Mercedes W204. First we'll start by removing the nut holding the ball joint on the control arm. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we need to remove the ball joint of the control arm from the wheel hub assembly, and we're gonna be using a ball joint press tool. And ball joint is released from the wheel hub assembly. Next, we need to remove the other bolt that holds the control arm. Now that the bolt and the nut are removed, we can take out the control arm and replace it with a new one. In order to tighten the nut on the control arm on the ball joint side, we need to lift up the ball joint and press it against the wheel hub assembly in order to tighten the nut. Next, we need to bring the whole suspension up so that we can tighten the bolt on the rear of the control arm. This way, when the car is driving, the bushing on the control arm is not going to be under pressure. If it's tightened well, control arm is down, the bushing will be under pressure and it will fail very quickly. And after we tighten this bolt, we're done with changing the control arm. Thank you for watching.